Foldable treadmill? Check. At-home workout? Check. Enjoyable workout? Check, check. Watch me unbox this Amazon at-home treadmill. Come with me. Hey guys, I want to introduce you to a new treadmill. This is the brand. Of course, it's from Amazon. And guess what? The only thing we had to assemble was this little mount. That's the only thing we had to worry about inserting onto the treadmill. Everything else was just pulling it out of the box, rolling it wherever you're gonna position and place it. I'm about to show you how to open it and close it. Just pop this out, pop that out. And this comes right up. Show us what you did here with the little knobs. Okay, other side. Press the button, pop it open. Press the button, now put it down. Press the button, pop it down. Press the button, pop it up. Same on the other side. There's a little button, guys. Where's the on-off switch? Just like the last treadmill, it's at the front of the machine. There it goes. It says error 1. We have to put on the emergency mechanism. There you go. Here's the other side, which clips to your shirt, I guess. Okay, so there you go, and you have like a little mount for your iPad or your phone or whatever it is that you're gonna watch. Okay, so once you have your emergency stopper here, then you push the start stop button. 3, 2, 1. And then it goes to 1 mile an hour. There you go. Pretty nice. Let's see this. Now, if you guys have watched my other treadmill video, which I'm gonna link right here in case you haven't, the difference between this machine and that machine is that this one, really you could just pop open and that was pretty much it. All you have to put in is this. With the other machine, there's a little bit more setup involved. Also, the other machine has a clip instead of this little, I don't even know what you call this, but obviously it's not, it doesn't look like a chip clip. This just looks like some other kind of strange clip. I personally prefer the chip clip style, which is on the other treadmill, which, like I said, I'm gonna link right here so you guys can watch that. And then also, this one does not have an incline. The other one has a slight incline, which you can keep completely flat, or you can incline it to level 1, 2, 3, I believe. I constantly keep it at the incline so I don't have to like make it flat again. Those are the major differences between the two machines. So I think it just depends on like, what are you looking for? Do you want something that has a little bit of an incline at least, or do you want something that has no incline? Because this one has 0 incline. So the other treadmill that we have has like an incline right here. It's manual. So there's these yellow little, there's these yellow levers, which you just flip down a little bit and then the machine elevates. This one, as you can see, has nothing. There's nothing here to elevate it. So if you don't really care about, you know, walking at an incline, then this one is going to be just fine for you. And I'm gonna link this machine too, so that you can get it on Amazon if that's what you want. But, you know, it's pretty sturdy. Obviously, what I like about both machines is, you know, that they have the support handles. The other one has buttons right here on the on these little armrest holder things. This one does not. All of the mechanisms are right here on the front. what I love about this one is it has this little tray so that you can put your iPhone or your iPad on here, which I'm going to show you right now. That is super important to me because, I mean, like, I like to be distracted when I'm working out so that the time passes a little bit quicker. I mean, watch, I'm gonna show you. Let's see what it's like with the iPhone on here. Hold on. Okay guys, so obviously if you're gonna use the treadmill, you probably wanna have your favorite TV show on at the same time. So I wanted to put an iPad on here to see how comfortable it was to walk with an iPad on here, because as you can see, the little tray is not quite tall enough for the entire iPad, but I just want somebody to walk on here and feel how sturdy it is to walk with the iPad on here. So here goes nothing. Okay, so right now he is at 3.2. So after that, I would say that it's probably better if you use a smaller device and maybe not an iPad, because as you can see when you're walking on here, you know, the iPad tends to shake, especially if, you know, you increase your speed. So I have my hand here because I don't want the iPad to fall. Okay, so like I said, while he was on the treadmill, this tends to shake a lot. So my recommendation would be that you should use like a smaller device, maybe like an iPod instead of an iPad. That way you don't run the risk that this is gonna flop back over the tray while you are running on it. Because like I said, the tray only goes up to here, and so the iPad sticks up and out. If you're gonna use it, like I said, definitely use a smaller device that fits within the dimensions of the tray so that you don't run the risk of it, you know, basically flopping over and then you have a cracked phone and then you're gonna hate your treadmill. Hey guys, but before you start using the treadmill, you need to pay attention to what I'm about to say. You have to tighten the tread. If you don't tighten the tread, you're gonna trip, and I'm gonna show you what it's like when you don't tighten it. Jogging on this thing is so that you can, is so that you could see exactly what just happened there. So you go right here, right to the back of the treadmill. You take this Allen wrench that comes with the treadmill. Okay, so then you look for the Allen screw and then you tighten the Allen screw, okay, on both sides. Okay, and what this is gonna do is it's going to tighten the tread here so that it's not loose, so loose, okay? Or it's gonna tighten the belt. So before you get on your treadmill, before you use the treadmill, you need to take your Allen wrench, which is this little tool right here. You need to take your Allen wrench and you're going to find the Allen screw and you're going to tighten the Allen screw so that you can tighten the belt, okay? Because if you don't tighten it, it's gonna be super, super loose and then you're gonna trip when you try to use it. So make sure that you tighten it on both sides, okay? Once here and once over here, okay? So we already tightened ours. Okay, you take this end of the Allen wrench and then you just twist to the right. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, righty tighty, lefty loosey, okay? On both sides. And then you can get on the treadmill. So the reason that I am showing you this right now, him basically jogging on this thing, is so that you can, is so that you could see exactly what just happened there. So with the weight of your body, you're keeping this part, okay, the tread, it's like being pressed down, okay? And then the mechanism underneath is still pushing the tread forward. So then when you pick your feet up again, it's almost like it creates this weird hiccup, tripping, causing the person who's on it to trip a little bit. And then this is a handy dandy little rubber circle that they gave us. It's like a rubber circle where you can put your you know, your phone or whatever it is that you're going to place there, so like it doesn't, I guess, wobble too much. But as you saw with the iPad, it still like shakes. But if you put your phone there, you should be fine. So if you are in the market for a treadmill because you want to work out at home more, or you want something that's really easy to use that you can perhaps fold and put under your bed, then make sure to check this one out. I've linked it down below, but please don't forget to tighten the tread. That is super important so you don't fall flat on your face, hate the manufacturer, but I'm going to show you how to fold it up in just a sec. Okay guys, so to close it back up, all you have to do is pull these out. Okay, on both sides. Ready? Okay, and then you pop them back in once the handles are down, and you're done. So if you want to see how this treadmill compares to my last Amazon treadmill purchase, make sure that you watch this video right here and you can decide for yourself which is most convenient for you. Don't forget to hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful.